In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and understand iCloud Keychain. First, let's talk about what iCloud Keychain actually is. It's Apple's built-in password manager, a nifty tool designed to make your digital life easier and more secure. iCloud Keychain handles all sorts of sensitive information. It saves and automatically fills in your passwords, credit card information, Wi-Fi logins, and even those pesky two-factor authentication codes. The best part is that it syncs seamlessly and securely across all your Apple devices, saving you the hassle of trying to remember everything yourself. Now let's walk through how you can take full advantage of iCloud Keychain, starting with how to turn it on. Grab your Apple device and navigate to Settings. Tap on your name at the very top, then select iCloud. Scroll down until you see Passwords and Keychain. Once you're there, simply toggle the iCloud Keychain switch to turn it on. It's that simple. With iCloud Keychain up and running, you can save passwords automatically as you go about your online activities. When you log into a site or app for the first time and input your credentials, you'll often get a prompt asking if you want to save the password. Just tap Save Password and iCloud Keychain will handle the rest, storing your login information securely and autofilling it next time you need it. Speaking of autofilling, whenever you visit a site in Safari or use an app that requires a login, iCloud Keychain will suggest logins that you've saved. To autofill your details, use Face ID or Touch ID for a quick and secure way to authenticate and complete your login process effortlessly. This little feature can save you a significant amount of time. But what about when you want to review or manage the passwords you've saved? It's really easy to access them. Head back to your settings, but this time choose passwords. You'll need to use Face ID or Touch ID again to unlock the list of saved passwords. Once in, you can view, edit, or delete any entry as needed. Finally, one of the best features about iCloud Keychain is its ability to sync across your devices. To ensure everything stays updated, make sure that all your Apple devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. iCloud Keychain takes care of the rest automatically, keeping everything in sync so that any changes or additions you make on one device will reflect on all your others. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to utilizing iCloud Keychain, ensuring that all your most critical information stays secure, yet readily accessible whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to manage your passwords with confidence.